Okay, so here is an example of one of those connections problems that I thought might be a little tougher. On a large construction project, a price of sheet of lumber is 20 cents per square foot. Spraying the lumber with an anti-termite agent is 45 cents, per square yard. How much would the construction firm have to pay to get 60 square yards? All right, so let's take a look at this. One thing I want to alert you is notice one of them is in square feet and everything else is in square yards. So the first thing is, how many square feet are in a square yard? Well, if you think about it, if I had something that's a square yard, so 1 yard by 1 yard, how many feet are in a yard? Well, hopefully you said there are 3 feet in a yard. Okay, so this is actually 3 feet by 3 feet if you're talking about feet. So notice there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 square feet because it's 3 by 3. 3 times 3 is 9 square feet in a yard. So the first thing I have to do is if it's 20 cents per square foot, I'm going to take that 20 cents times 9 because so that it's in yards instead of feet. So a square yard would be $1.80. Okay, so it's $1.80 per square yard just to get the lumber. And then it's 45 cents a square yard to have it sprayed. So it's going to be $1.80 for the wood and then 45 cents for the spray, which leaves us at $2.25 for each square yard to buy this wood. So then how much would it be for 60 square yards? So we just take the 60 times the $2.25 a square yard, and we get $135. Okay, here's a runner. She runs up and downhill. Okay, she runs downhill at a speed half the speed she runs uphill, which seems backwards to me. So if it takes her 1 minute to run up a hill, it takes her twice as long to go down the hill because she's running half as fast. So she only gets half as far. So it takes her 1 minute to get halfway down the hill, another minute to get the other halfway down the hill. So they want to know how much longer does it take her to run up than down, and the answer would be twice as long.